Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Cherokee oil. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, the correct engine oil, a drain pan, a funnel, and a wrench. Make sure your Jeep is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm, but not hot. This helps the old oil drain more easily. Safety first, so consider using jack stands if you need to lift the vehicle for better access. Now, let's get that old oil out. Position your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to start flowing immediately. It's best to let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This ensures you remove as much of the old, dirty oil as possible before adding the fresh stuff. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Remove the old filter with your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about a quarter to 1/2 turn more with the wrench. Now, use a funnel to add the correct amount of new oil to your engine. Once the new oil is in, replace the drain plug and tighten it firmly. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Then, turn it off and check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Finally, check your oil level on the dipstick and top it off if needed. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.